Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Omnibook 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Omnibook 5 won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty power supply or a malfunctioning battery. If left untreated, it could lead to further complications, possibly affecting other internal components. To get started with the repair, you'll need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and a replacement battery or power supply, depending on what you find during diagnosis. First, ensure your device is powered off completely. Carefully use the plastic pry tool to open the casing of the HP Omnibook 5. Start at one corner and gently work your way around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. Once you've successfully opened the device, take a look at the battery and power supply connections. Often, the battery may be disconnected or defective. If you notice any signs of swelling or damage, it's best to replace the battery. To extract the battery, locate the screws securing it in place and use your Phillips screwdriver to remove them. Remember to apply gentle force, as over-tightening can strip the screws. Disconnect any cables attached to the battery carefully, ensuring you're not pulling on nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old battery is removed, place the new one in position, connecting it securely and replacing the screws. After securing the battery, check the power supply connections as well. Make sure everything is snug and properly connected. Now, before closing the device, it's wise to test the power. Plug in your charger and try to turn the device on. If it powers up, you can proceed to close the casing. Align the clips and press gently until you hear them click back into place, making sure everything is seated correctly to prevent any rattling. To prevent this problem from reoccurring, it's essential to regularly check your battery health and avoid leaving your device plugged in for extended periods. Additionally, ensure your device is kept in a cool, dry place to prevent overheating, which can damage internal components over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.